Their packaging, there's no room for movement, for scratches in there, and you can tell they take pride in their packaging. So, get all my pieces out and I'll lay them out. Yeah, I say that as I just toss it to the floor. Okay, you guys, I'm doing one of the drawers. I got them out of the packaging. Beautiful. So what I did was I got all of my pieces out for my step one. I have my hardware. Screwdriver. And they tell us to use these for all those. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Okay, and they said for the drawers to make sure that you can't fit your fingernail underneath. So make it flush and sturdy.
Mom,
Yeah.
will you throw the...
Hold on, we're doing this in between being a mom too, so hold on. Projects don't stop because you're a mom. They continue, so we just use pause buttons and keep going. Okay, got all of these in. Taking this. They've got it lined up so you can't get it backwards. Now I take these